The market is at a crossroads, and where it goes next has big implications across asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 13th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, gaining 0% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand, the new Indian Express. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, gaining 0% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stablecoin market cap has shrunk by $10 billion since May, but analysts see no reason to panic. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 162.36, gaining 0% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. USD SGD is trading at 0.7740, gaining 0% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6946, gaining 0.03% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand, the new Indian Express. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1476, gaining 0.24% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stablecoin market cap has shrunk by $10 billion since May, but analysts see no reason to panic. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.37, losing 0.02% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as NASDAQ ends sharply higher, chip surge offsets Iran worries, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand, the new Indian Express. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stablecoin market cap has shrunk by $10 billion since May, but analysts see no reason to panic. Our near-term view on US dollar to Chinese yuan. US dollar to Chinese yuan is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $0.1506 resistance and $0.1446 support as the boundaries of the current range. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.